potato is boiled to at least 80 to 90% done, and then grill it on a grill pan. If you have open fire grill, grill it till it's nicely crispy and brown outside. So in this recipe we're making saag aloo. The potato is already boiled and grilled. Now it gives a nice flavor when the potato is grilled. A tablespoon of olive oil is heated up, and adding mustard seeds. Quarter of a teaspoon mustard. Once it's crackled, adding chili flakes or whole chili, just split into 3. Once it's dark in color, adding so half a tablespoon of garlic has been browned, and I'm adding we sauteed in 1 tablespoon of onion tomato masala. You can check the recipe on the bottom. Adding quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Just mix it in. Now I'm adding the grilled potatoes inside. Mix it in. If you want to slightly crush it, but don't make it too small, because you need bite-sized pieces. Add in salt, around less than quarter of a teaspoon should be enough. 2 grams ideally. Mix it in and toss it. Now adding 1 sliced Holland chili. Coriander leaf, around 3 to 4 sprigs. Break it and put it. This gives more flavor than chopped ones. Okay, mix it. Now adding the spinach in. So if your container is small, add batch by batch. So after adding all the spinach, don't cook it more. This is good enough, because we want that bright green color of spinach and slight crunchiness from the spinach also. Finish with lemon juice. Now we can plate it up. You can keep it in a nice bowl so it shows a color. White will be ideal.